NEC 250.24 states that the grounding electrode conductor shall be connected to the equipment grounding terminal or grounding electrode conductor terminal in the service equipment. The code does not specify the method of attachment for the grounding electrode conductor to the service equipment. So, if a listed add-on grounding lug kit from the manufacturer is not available, using a bolt-on lug is permissible, provided that it meets certain conditions. Firstly, the bolt-on lug must be of the proper size for the conductor you intend to terminate. This ensures a secure and reliable connection. Secondly, the lug must be securely fastened to the panel. Use a nut and bolt appropriate for the application. The connection should be robust and able to withstand any mechanical stresses or vibrations. Thirdly, it is advisable to use a bolt-on lug that is listed by a recognized testing laboratory such as UL. Listing by a recognized testing laboratory ensures that the lug has been tested and certified to meet specific safety standards. Fourthly, adhere to the manufacturer's instructions for the proper torque and tightening procedures. Over-tightening or under-tightening the connection can compromise its integrity and lead to future problems. Fifthly, provide adequate space around the lug for proper ventilation and accessibility. This allows for easy inspection and maintenance of the connection. In summary, while the preferred method is to use a listed add-on grounding lug kit from the manufacturer, it is permissible to use a bolt-on lug if the following conditions are met. 1. The lug must be of proper size. 2. The lug must be securely fastened to the panel using a nut and bolt. 3. The lug should ideally be listed by a recognized testing laboratory. 4. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper torque and tightening. 5. Ensure there is adequate space around the lug for ventilation and accessibility. Always consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and regulations.